This is a video that I recorded for my class at Knox Academy, and it is what inspired us to do our collaborative project about gravity. This week we're going to talk about Isaac Newton. I'm going to try and make this quick, but as a kid he was a super curious kid. He loved studying things. He loved to make mechanical things. He made a little windmill when he saw one going around the being built, and he made clocks out of water dripping. He made kites. He just loved figuring out how things work, and he wasn't very good at being a farmer, but luckily he was able to go to school and he really excelled there. He went to Cambridge, and while he was there the plague broke out. So a lot of people, including Isaac Newton, fled. The school closed and he went back to his family farm, and he was in isolation just like we are, but he did amazing things while he was there. He took advantage of the time to think about things, and he made a couple of really awesome discoveries while he was there. The first one was that he figured out things about light. Light was thought to have, white light was thought to have been pure, and that in order to make it different colors, you were adding to it. But he realized, because he took a prism, which is like a glass that's kind of a triangle shape, that as the light would hit, it would split, and it would create a rainbow. So he realized that light, all of those colors were in the white light. Our eyes see white when we see all of the colors combined. He proved it. He went a step further and he thought, well, if it splits into these colors, maybe I'll take this red part. He covered the rest up and he took the red light and put a second prism to see if it would split it, and it didn't. I'm going to link a video that talks about how to make your own rainbow, and you can discover, you can explore light. The other thing that he's more well known for is he discovered gravity, which seems kind of funny because everyone knows stuff comes back down. They had talked about that, but he was the first one to really think about the why. We all know that when I throw a ball straight, it doesn't just go straight because gravity pulls it down, and the momentum slows down slower and slower and slower until it's pretty much no momentum, and then the gravity starts pulling it back down. We all know that things arc, but he was able to come up with a formula that predicted it. He took the time to wonder why, and he realized that it was the same force that held the planets from just floating off. If they have momentum that's taking them this way, they should just go past it. But as that gravity pulls it in, it arcs it. And it keeps on having momentum. Right now it has momentum that way, but it also is being pulled that way, so it ends up arcing. And it keeps doing that, and that's what creates it being able to go around in a circle. So your assignment this week is to play with gravity. Make a catapult, play with balls, I don't know, what other, waterfalls, whatever you can come up with. Record it, draw it, whatever, send it to me. And just like I made the video with Earth, all of the pictures that you guys sent me of Earth, I want to do another one of gravity. So record, send it to me, and we'll make a gravity song. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Intrinsic, because meaningful learning is driven by desire from within.